Good morning, children. So, in the today's class, we will be discussing about the rational numbers, exercise 7. Write any three equivalent rational numbers in each of the following. Equivalent rational numbers. So the first one, you have 2 by 3, and second one you have 3 by 8. So any rational number, in order to get the equivalent rational number, we have to either we can multiply or divide the numerator and denominator of the given rational numbers with the same number. So here you can since this is the simplest form of the rational number that is given to you, the simplest form is the least form of the rational number is given to you. So just go on multiplying with the numbers. So with the same number we will multiply both numerator and denominator. So 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6, and this is equal to 2 threes are 6, 3 threes are 9, then 2 fours are 8, 3 fours are 12, then 2 fives are 10, 3 fives are 15, and so on. You can write as many equivalent rational numbers as you want. Similarly, you can go for this is also the simplest form. So 3 twos are 6, 8 twos are 16, 3 threes are 9, 8 threes are 24, and this is equal to 3 fours are 12 by 8 fours are 32, and so on. You can go for any number of rational numbers like this. Coming to the second question, what is the equivalent rational number for minus 15 by 36 with denominator 12? So this is first section. Second section, you are having minus 15 by 36 is given, minus 15 by 36, and in this the first question whose denominator is 12 and second question in that is whose numerator is minus 75. Numerator is minus 75. So in order to obtain this, here 36 is there. 36 and 12 are multiples. Okay. 36 is the multiple of 12. So 12 threes are. So when you divide 36 with 3, you will get 12. So divide the numerator also with the same number, then you will be getting your value. That is, for the first question, you will have 15 by 36 is equal to, with the denominator 12, equivalent fraction with 12 can be obtained by dividing with 3. So we will be dividing with 3. So 3 fives are 15. So 5 by 12 is your answer. And here you are having 15 by 36. Okay, sorry children, here you have minus here. So you will be getting the minus 5 by 12. So here minus 15 is with the numerator minus 75. So you have both minus, so there won't be any change in the value. So 15 into 5, 15 5s are 75, minus into plus is minus. So here also we will be multiplying with 5. So 36 5s are 6 5s are 30, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18, 180. So your denominator will be 180 for this. Coming to the third section, make the following rational numbers on number line. Third one, writing on number line. Writing on number line. So here given to you are 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, fourth one 3 by 2, and then 10 by 3. Children, whenever you are given the numbers, so observe whether the given numbers, to note down on the number line whether the given numbers are proper fractions or improper fraction. If the number is a proper fraction, definitely the value lies between 0 and 1. If it is a proper fraction, its value lies between 0 and 1. If it is more than 1, okay, it will be more than 1 when it is an improper fraction. So that improper fraction you have to convert into mixed numeral, so that whether it will be lying between 1 and 2 or 2 and 3 or 3 and 4, that will be determined based on the value. So coming to here, this is a proper fraction and this is a proper fraction, and here is an improper fraction. This is numerator is greater than the denominator, improper fraction. So you can write this improper fraction as 1 by 2, and here you can write this fourth value as 3 3s are 9, 1 by 3. So here you have the values 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1 by 2 and 3 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 is half of the value, that is exactly lies between 1 and 2, and 3 by 4 is when the total 0 to 1 is divided into 4 equal parts, 3 parts of it you can write, third part it will be lying at 3 by 4, and this is 1 by 2 is nothing but one whole is there, one whole number, and 1 by 2 is the fractional part. So 1 by 2 is lying between the 1 and 2. Here 3 wholes are there, so 3 completed. After that the 3 to 4 is divided into 3 equal parts, out of which first part of it could be considered. So if you are writing on a number line, so you can take it 0, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so you can take the -1, -2, -3, -4 on the number line, and then so now the first one is 1 by 2, so you can divide this into 2 equal halves, and here you can write your value 1 by 2. Then second one, divide into 4 equal parts. Now this is divided 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts, so this part will be 1 by 2 and this part will be 3 by 4. Next, coming to the second one, 1 by 2. So 1 complete whole and 1 by 2 is here. So half of the 1 to 2 is here. So this can be written as 3 by 2. And the last one is 3 1 by 3. So this can be divided into 3 equal parts. So this is 1 by 3. Okay. 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. This is 2 by 3, and this is 3 by 3 is nothing but 1. So you can take it as 3 by 3 over here. So it is 10 by 3. Thank you, children.